What is up, boys? Whew. It's been a long night, or day I should say. You're gonna see this at a different time, but earlier today was when we did the old engine scoot issue, and of course, you know, having the engine tilted and all that, we puked a bunch more transmission fluid out, so got the shop floor all nasty, and we ran out of quick dry, so it's gonna stay like that for a minute. It's Sunday night. It is the Sunday before the week. Like, this coming week is Thanksgiving week. I know some folks don't celebrate that. Or I guess you don't celebrate it, but I have one special thing that I do every year. Now that I am pretty much a grown-ass man, I have one tradition that I do every year for the holiday season, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Well, some of you might think it's whack, but you know, go play Tetris if you don't. All right, what I have here, I got this. Okay, I bought the Subaru in December of 2016, and I didn't do it that year, but in December of 17 I got these Christmas lights, and every year since then, around Thanksgiving week, I get these lights and I put them on my roof rack. And I do that because it's my way of showing some spirit. Alright, so basically, I don't know how it worked out, but I ordered this guessing on the length, and I couldn't tell you how long it is now. I think it's like 25 or 30 feet. But the way that I wrap it around my roof rack, it comes out to the perfect length. I can cover my entire roof rack, and it just looks like this web of Christmas lights. And it's weatherproof. This has gotten iced on, rained on, you name it. Whatever happens in the month of December happens to this since 2017. So the winter of 17, the winter of 17, the winter of 18, the winter of 19, and it's 2020 now. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's real easy. All I do is drape it across my roof rack, stretch it tight, use some zip ties to zip tie it onto my roof rack, and then I gotta put fresh batteries in it. I do every year. I have to. They die out here in the garage. I don't know why, but we're gonna put some fresh batteries in it, set this stuff on there, and get this holiday season kicked off for you boys. Here we go. Let's do it. Well, boys, ta-da. There it is. Pretty straightforward. I think these lights, the battery, you just do like battery-powered, weatherproof lights or something like that. And I want to say it was like, I think it was 25 or 30 feet. It was a thing on Amazon, and it was like $15, I think. And you just got to put 3D batteries in it, and the shit lasts, you know, I usually take them off like second or third week of January, and those batteries last that whole time, and they've gotten iced on, they've gotten snowed on, rained on, going down the road, turned on, turned off, it doesn't matter. They work. So this will be the 3rd year I've had these babies on here. It's my little Christmas tradition, I guess, you know. So yeah, all I do is start on the one side with the controller, get those wires kind of tucked up in here, and the controller's right here, and it's basically just got a button on it, and I put it over my sunroof, because if I don't do it out here, I can just get in my car, and like if I'm going down the road and I want to change it, I can just open my sunroof and hit the button right there above my head. But I don't recommend having any of the flashing modes on when you're going down the road. Your local police department might not like that too much. I've had this one on going down the road before. Never got messed with. Just since it's slower, you know. And then I think it's, yeah, this one. This one. And then this one's just like constant on. And yeah, that's it, dude. Just set the controller up here, I zip tie it to the rail, and then just kind of zip tie the first one, and then I just pull them as tight as I can. Zip tie every loop, and that keeps it nice and tight so it doesn't touch the car. And that's it, boys. Ta-da. That's how you make your roof rack a little more seasonal. All right, boys, let's get in there and talk about something right quick. I see a lot of people that just want some respect, right? Everybody's a little different. You got people that are Jewish, you got people that are Catholic, you got people that are atheists, you got people that are Christian. There's all different religions, beliefs. There's people that believe in like the Roman gods and shit. Everybody's different, man. So I just want to say, for the people that follow me and keep up with me, I don't really talk about this stuff, and I will never push a belief on anybody, because what we believe in is what makes us who we are and what makes the world so flavorful and different. You know, we wouldn't have cool food on every corner of the world if everybody was the same. We wouldn't have cool clothes to wear if everybody was the same. We wouldn't be putting 2015 dashes in a 1995 truck if everybody was the same. You get the drift? So guys, for y'all that say that I motivate you to go out and work on your project, to get your YouTube channel started, to whatever it is, guys, do it. But be human about it when you do it. By far, I'm probably the humblest dude you would ever meet. I guess it hasn't sank in yet, dude, but everybody that comes and looks at this or sees it online, they're like, dude, that is so cool. That is awesome. How did you do, you know, blah, blah, blah. And for me, it's like, I really don't know. Like, it's a blur. Like, we just came upon the shit and it was a good deal and we did it. Like, guys, I really don't know. I don't know how we got here, but we did it, and we're here, and we're about ready to start driving this truck, and we're really shooting to have it dolled up and ready for LST in 2021 and get started on some other projects. So, guys, through this holiday season, whether you say it's Christmas, it's the holidays, whether you do, you know, all the Jewish holidays, Hanukkah and all that, or if you do any Asian stuff or any of the Middle Eastern holidays, just have some respect for other people. When you see them, you know, doing their prayers or, you know, doing their things that they do for their religion or their belief, leave them the fuck alone. They're not hurting you. Trust me, they're not. And whether they do or don't do whatever they're doing, you're still going to be able to wake up tomorrow, put your clothes on, and do what you were going to do anyways. Other than that, that's all I got, guys. That's about as motivational as I can be. It's just be human. Like, everybody's different, and that's what makes the world cool, because there's different stuff everywhere. Everybody has something different to offer in the world, and everybody matters. So other than that, we got some new merch coming. We got this dope ass beanie coming. It's got the skullet on it. It's a nice little fold. It's a little tall, but it'll look good on you, trust me. This is glow in the dark thread. So, yeah. We'll have this hat, the skullet stickers that are holographic. Check it out. We'll have the truck outline, flat bills that we're still trying to get through. We've got second round of the Tombstone Too Broke to Be Tired pre-orders on the hoodies and sweats. And then we've got some other stickers coming down the pipe. We're working on lanyards, and they will be breakaway for all my people that work around machinery, or my oil field guys, or my guys at Tinker. All y'all be looking out for some lanyards. And then I'm also going to be having some air fresheners here pretty soon. So we're working on some new stuff, trying to get some cheaper items in the store so you guys don't have to blow $30 to get something from me. You know, you can spend $2, you can spend $5 and still get something cool and show some love to the channel. So other than that, thank you guys for getting us to this point. I hope y'all enjoy the holiday spirit music I'll be doing for the next few weeks. And other than that, guys, don't forget to smile. Don't forget that somebody might be having a bad day. If you go and talk some shit to them, they might go home and have an even worse day. So, guys, this is the time of year to be happy and count your blessings. And if you don't do that, then just be grateful for what you have. Don't compare yourself to somebody else. Just because somebody else is your same age and driving a Lamborghini, or has 1 million subscribers on YouTube and does burnouts with a bunch of famous people, doesn't mean you can't too. You're just not on that timeline. You got your own timeline to follow. So boys, if you want something, get your ass up and go chase it. Do some research, figure out what you got to do to get it done. Execute, perform, get the shit done, knock it out, and fucking win. That's all you got to do, guys. And be humble while you're doing it. Other than that, that's it for this one. Peace out. We'll see you later.